Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given OAB and OCD are sectors of two circles with a common center. Oh, that means they both have a 60 degrees here that is at the center. Oh, OA equals to AD equals to R. Okay, that is a very important piece of information. So now I'm going to divide this into 2. My AB will focus on this where the radius is R and my arc DC, which is this green color, will focus on the radius, and the radius would be OC, because radius we do need to measure from the center, and that will be, yes, 2R. Okay, because the information give me that this is also R. AD is also R here. And so I will also indicate inside the diagram as well that BC and AD are R. Okay, so this is my black color, which we will need later for part B. And now for part A, part 1 and part 2, we are required to find the AB and DC both in terms of R. So you can see that both utilizes the angle 60 degree but with different radius. Okay, so for the AB, I would use R. Angle is 60 degree over 360 times 2 pi R. And when I multiply 60 over 360 times 2, I will get 1/3. So this is 1/3 pi R. And for my DC, then I will focus on my green color, and the radius is 2R. Still have the 60 degree. And so when I multiply 60 over 360 times 2 times 2, I will get 2 over 3. Not forgetting the pi and the R. So that will be for part A. And then find the perimeter. Given 20 cm, find R. So since I now know that the perimeter, meaning the green AB, the black color AD, black color BC, and the green color DC add up to 20, I could form an equation. This is AB plus DC plus my AD and my BC, which is R and R, and they will give me 20. And solving this equation will then give me the final answer. Okay, so 1/3 plus 2/3. 1/3 pi plus 2/3 pi will give me 1 pi. So this one, if you don't already know, is 1. pi. R plus R is 2R, so I'm going to take out R as the common factor and divide by pi plus 2. So eventually you will get 3.89 when rounded off to 3 significant figures. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.